Well, actually, I was on the 787 Inaugural in Japan at All Nippon Airways, the very first flight.
I mean, what are you looking forward to today the most?
Well, of course, the great excitement of all of this, the experience of the service that United puts on, and the first domestic 787 flight. So it's another historical flight.
Pretty exciting. It's a good get for Houston to have the first one as well, right?
Absolutely. Well, going from the old Continental headquarters in Houston up to the United headquarters in Chicago is a historic route for United to fly this aircraft.
Our President and CEO, Jeff Smisek.
Hey, thanks, Stephanie. Thanks, everyone, for being out here this morning. This is a very exciting day for United Airlines, a day we've waited a long time for. And we are delighted to have the 787 here. You know, we're the world's largest airline, but we don't care about that. We want to become the world's leading airline. And to do that, we need to make investments in you, our customers, in our product. For example, flatbed seats or Economy Plus or broadband Wi-Fi, in our facilities like the new Terminal B right here in Houston, in our technology like our app on your smartphones. If you don't have it, download it right now. And a new front end to our passenger service system, and in our fleet. And if you want to be the world's leading airline, you need to have the world's leading airplane. And we have that today in the new Boeing 787 Dreamliner. So thanks for being here, and I hope to see you on a Dreamliner real soon.
All right, here we go.
This morning will be 41,000 feet. Anticipating arriving right on time, and that's at 9:51 in Chicago. Beautiful morning flying. With that in mind, I'm going to turn off the seatbelt sign. You're free to move back, Kevin, when necessary. However, while seated, please do keep the seatbelts reasonably fastened. The weather in Chicago is good with just a few broken clouds, light winds, and temperatures in the 40s. Again, delighted to have you with us this morning on our 787 inaugural flight. We're going to see to it that your flight this morning is smooth, safe, and enjoyable.
I want to welcome you all aboard our brand new 787 Dreamliner. This is a terrific day for us. I also want to thank all of our co-workers across the system. There was a lot of work to get this airplane here, to get it inducted, to go through the proving runs, and to put it into revenue service today. I want to thank our partners at Boeing and GE who made this airplane possible. And I want to thank you, especially all of you customers who've come together with us to celebrate. It's been a long haul to get here, and we couldn't be more delighted to be North American launch customer for the 787. So, cheers.
Our takeoff weight this morning was 375,000 pounds. Now, the maximum allowable takeoff weight in this airplane is 502,000 9,000 pounds. So of course, the difference between the two is the fact that we've got a fairly short destination. This airplane has about an 8,000 mile range, and it'll take us halfway around the world. So we're really just walking the park in terms of exercising our Dreamliner this morning. The speeds that we took off at, we actually rotated right around 140 knots and accelerated quickly, as I'm sure you felt. We're currently at a percentage of Mach of 0.833, and our ground speed is 505 miles an hour. We have a nice tailwind. Our landing weight we're projecting to be 351,000 pounds, and we're carrying 55,000 pounds of payload. And of course, the way we measure payload is our customers and our cargo. So those are some statistics with our Dreamliner. Amazingly, right now our fuel flow combined with both engines is about 9,000 pounds an hour, which for an aircraft this size is just absolutely astounding, and really a tribute to the efficiency that Boeing has designed into the airplane.
Chicago. Local time is approximately 9:35. We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes. Please remain in your seats with the seatbelts fastened until we're at the gate and the captain has turned on the seatbelt sign. Once the sign is off, you may move around the cabin and collect your belongings. Please be very careful when you open the overhead bins, as contents may have moved during the flight. At this time, you may now use all mobile phones. On behalf of myself and your entire crew, and all of us here at United, it has been our pleasure having you as guests on board our world famous Dreamliner today. We look forward to seeing you anytime, anywhere around the world, on any one of United's flight, and especially this Dreamliner. Thank you, and welcome to Chicago.
ShamWow.
Big one.
Exactly.